Waking up to improve personal life. We all have responsibilities and obligations to accomplish in life. Sometimes life gets us down when demands and obstacles get in our way. Most of the time, it seems as though life is about other people. We often wonder how much of our life is truly your own. When life gets you down, you must take a step back to look over the areas that cause you stress. Wouldn't it be fantastic if you were doing what you loved? Perhaps you can acquire assertive skills. Do you need to build your self-esteem? Do you hang around positive influences? Do you live to produce new ideas that help you to improve your personal life? Do you develop great relationships? If you have issues or problems with improving your life, perhaps you can visit a therapist or hypnotherapies. These questions all lead up to improving personal life. For this reason, if you need help, you may want to seek advice of professionals. A therapist can help you deal with the problems you may have. Some of us have hidden keys that lead us to success. Inside the hidden messages are keys that open the door that helps one to deal with life changes and challenges, which ordinarily discourages one from taking the right course in life. How does hypnotherapy work? Hypnotherapy assists one with dealing with many life discouragements by helping us to find the hidden notes of the mind. Inside the mind, you have many natural elements that help you to lose weight, quit smoking, manage pain, etc. You have the ability to build self-esteem, confidence, etc., as well as counseling yourself to live happier. Hypnotherapy will also help you grow in your personal relationships. The therapeutic method will help you to balance and to live one day at a time. Hypnotherapy is a formula used to put people in trance-like states. The person is sort of sleeping. In some instances, a patient may be highly aware. It depends on the person. The therapeutic tactic is designed to bring you to relaxation whilst altering the conscious mind. We all have the ability to induce hypnotherapy. We can do this through meditation. When we meditate, we go into a deep focused state of mind, which usually takes us to responsive ideas or images. We can learn to control the mind, yet when a hypnotherapy process takes place, only the person has the right to control his/her mind. Hypnotherapy is designed to teach one how to master his/her state of mind, including awareness. The goal is to build faith, as well as a good attitude toward life. Each time something happens to us, we develop a different attitude or behavior. Each time this occurs, our emotional response and physical attaches to the memory. This memory is often repeated. Sometimes we develop unhealthy and inappropriate behaviors and attitudes when something happens to us. We develop bad habits that hold us back. A therapist can work with you to redirect your way of thinking, actions, etc. to start thinking positive. You will acquire healthier ways to handle problems. During the trance, you will feel relaxed. You will also feel awakened to new ideas. As your mind wakens, you will be willing to participate in new and healthier ideas. Before you participate in hypnosis, however, make sure that you consult with a qualified doctor and psychiatrist. Hypnosis can intensify some symptoms, especially when inappropriate diagnoses are made. If you have mental complications, such as multiple personality disorder, MPD, currently noted as dissociative identity disorder, DID, then I recommend you avoid hypnosis. These people self-induce trance-like states, and it could cause serious complications if you allow someone unqualified to hypnotize you.